Hello students, today I will solve question 8 of chapter 1 integers of exercise 1.3. Statement of this sum is: a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. Part A. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is the profit or loss? Solution. I denote profit in positive integer and loss in negative integer. Given profit on selling 1 bag of white cement. एक बैग वाइट सीमेंट को सेल करने में प्रॉफिट होता है 8 रुपए का. प्रॉफिट ऑन सेलिंग 3000 बैग्स of white cement. Then 3000 white cement bags को सेल करने में प्रॉफिट होगा 3000 इंटू रुपीज 8 इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 24,000. लॉस ऑन सेलिंग 1 bag of grey cement is rupees 5 per bag of grey cement. Loss on selling 1 bag of grey cement is equal to minus rupees 5 per bag. I denote loss in negative integer. Then loss on selling 5000 bags of grey cement. 5000 ग्रे सीमेंट बैग्स को सेल करने में लॉस होगा 5000 इंटू माइनस रुपीज 5 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 25,000 रुपीज. टोटल लॉस और प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट प्लस लॉस. वैल्यू ऑफ प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 24,000 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ लॉस इज इक्वल टू 25,000 is equal to minus rupees 1,000. Hence, loss is equal to rupees 1,000 by the company. Now, part B. Statement of part B is: what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of grey bags sold is 6400 bags. I denote profit in positive integer and loss in negative integer. Given profit on selling 1 bag of white cement is equal to rupees 8 per bag. Let the number of white cement bags is equal to x. So then earns a profit on selling x bags of white cement is equal to x into rupees 8 is equal to rupees 8x. Given loss on selling 1 bag of grey cement is equal to minus rupees 5 per bag. So then loss on selling 6400 bags of grey cement is equal to 6400 into minus rupees 5 is equal to minus 32,000 rupees. Since neither profit nor loss since neither profit nor loss, so then profit plus loss is equal to 0. Here value of profit is equal to 8x and value of loss is equal to minus 32,000. 8x minus 32,000 is equal to 0. 32,000 shift from left hand side to right hand side. So it becomes negative to positive. So 8x is equal to 32,000. X equal to 32,000 upon 8 is equal to 4,000. Hence number of white cement bags is equal to 4,000. Answer. Thank you, students.